Hey, Forest Park. Okay, here's vocabulary quiz number 3, which is style and articulation markings. Once again, I'm going to give you the Italian and you answer in English. Here's the first one. Con moto. Con moto. Next, accent. Now, bonus points if you can also draw it or think about what it looks like. Now, accent, remember, is English, obviously, but see if you can draw it. Marcato, marcato. Con brio, con brio. Agitato. Again, not a Pokemon, but if it were a Pokemon, what would it look like? Agitato. It would probably look a little agitated. Dolce, dolce. This is another one that has something you should draw. Staccato. Staccato. Can you think about the meaning and also how you would draw it? Staccato. This also has a drawing. Tenuto. Tenuto. Legato. Legato. Okay, these two are in English, and remember you had to compare the two of them. Think about what was the difference between a I'm showing you. Don't look, don't look, don't look. Okay, here it goes. A slur. Okay, now you can look. A slur and a tie. What was the difference between a slur and a tie? Okay, let's go back and answer. Let me get to everything. Okay, the first question was con moto. Remember the word con means with, and moto means motion. So this was con moto with motion. Clap for yourself if you got it right. Woo woo. Okay, accent. It's in English. Another word for that would be to emphasize that particular note, and you show it by putting a little arrow over it. Accent. Okay. Now the next one is marcato. Remember the first part of it looks like march or marked? Well, that is because it means marked or march-like, meaning that every note, think about a march. Every note would be emphasized and be very strong, Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 ba. Okay, I don't sing that march very well. But think about any march, ba, ba, dum, ba, da, da, dum, bum, bum, bum. All the military stuff that we sang, from the halls of Montezuma, right? Marked, march-like, marcato. Okay. Con brio. Remember brio, brilliant, alive, lively, with spirit. Agitato. Agitated or excited. Dolce. Soft and sweet. Staccato. Remember, staccato is short and detached. Detached, so that every note was short. So that every note was short. Sometimes just one note will be short. Sometimes all of them will be short. Tenuto, remember, is like a musical underline. Okay, it means to hold that note full value, usually used in conjunction with staccato or accents. Legato. It means smooth and connected. Now, a tie and a slur. I forget which one I put on top. I think I put the slur on top. Forgive me, I don't quite remember. Okay, a tie and a slur. The difference between them. Remember, a slur has different notes and it must have the same notes. So different notes for a slur, same notes, and only two notes. Must be two notes. No more than two. No more than two. It's a tie. Only two. Like you tie your two shoelaces together, and it changes the rhythm. A slur, it does not change the rhythm, and you can have two or more, and they're usually different notes. Okay. Clap for yourself. You are finished with all your vocabulary quizzes. Try and find them in pieces of music and watch them in the wild.